Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, we are going to solve exercise 14.3, third main question. In the third main question, we have a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So the data is given as follows. So here age, it is given that below 20 only two policy holders are there, below 25 six policy holders, then till below 60 total 100 policy holders, and we need to calculate the median of this given data. For that, we're going to represent this data in the form of class intervals. As you can see that here class width can be taken as 5 because age difference is given here as 5. So let's take class width as 5 and prepare a class interval. So we will going to do that. For that, we took class interval 15 to 20. Total frequency, it is given that 2. So let's write frequency at here, and we are given this cumulative frequency because total below 60 years, that data is given as 100. So here we need to find out frequency. So here 15 to 20, so 2 minus 0, we're going to take only 2. Then 20 to 25, that frequency will going to be 6 minus this 2, which is equals to 4. Then 25 to 30, in which we will going to subtract this 6, so this will give us 18. Then in the list of 30 to 35, we will going to subtract that 24, so we're going to get that 21. Then 78 minus 45 gives us 33. In the same way, 89 minus 78 gives us 11. Then 92 minus 89 gives us 3. 98 minus 92 gives us 6. At last, 100 minus 98 gives us 2. So in this way, we can get the frequency of this given data. Now we have that frequency, even we have that cumulative frequency. We have to calculate now median of this given data. So let's do that. For that, first we will going to write a formula. As we all know that median is equals to n by 2. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, divided by frequency into class size or class width. For that, let's calculate L value, n by 2, cumulative frequency, and class width. L means lower limit of the median class. So for that, let's first find n by 2 value. We know that the value of n is 100, that is total number of frequency. So n is equals to 100. Then n by 2 gives us 100 divided by 2, which is equals to 50. So we need to find out where that 50th observation falls in this given frequency distribution table. Here you can clearly see that 50th observation will falls in this category. So this will becomes our median class. Now let's write one by one all values. So first of all, L value. So L is equals to lower limit of the median frequency. So which will going to be 35. N by 2 we already get it as 50. Then cumulative frequency means cumulative frequency means CF of the previous class interval. So let's write that CF is equals to 45. Then F means the frequency of the median class, which is going to be our 33. So let's write that 33. At last, H value, that is class width, that is the difference between upper limit and lower limit, which is 5. So let's write that also. Now we got the all values. Let's substitute all these values in this given formula. Then we have median is equals to L, that is lower limit 35, plus n by 2, that is 50, minus cumulative frequency 45 divided by frequency 33 into that class width 5. Now we will simply solve this problem. For that, let's write this as 35 plus 50 minus 45 gives us 5 by 33 into 5, which gives us 35 plus 5 5 are 25 by 33. Now let's simplify this 35 by 33. For that, let's write this as 3 11s are, and here we will write 3 8s are 24. Then 1 remains, that becomes 10. 3 3s are, and this 3 continues. So we will write this as 8.34 approx. So we will write 35 plus 8.34 divided by 11. Further, we can write this as 35 plus here 11 ones are 11, 0.7 are 77, 6 remains, that becomes 64, 11 5s are 55, and so on. So here we will going to write 0.75. At last, we will going to write the median value as 35.75 approximately. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.